All right, here we go, guys. So I got this vessel ball grip, screwdriver. I've never had one before. I saw all the hype online, and I said I gotta try that. They have so many different ones. They have the ratchet drive one, so I just wanted to get the regular one. Let's go ahead and open this. I like that sound. Listen, I just don't like that sound when I'm in the movie theater. Somebody's messing with the candy or something. That sucks. Vessel ball grip, 1.25 inch X. All right, so or Japanese, made in Japan. I like these Japanese tools. Alrighty, so we got the number 1, number 2, 3 of the different one. All right, let's check this out. Item number 220W-3. Says magnetic. I understand that. Okay. All right, let's check this out. Nice. Oh, it feels very grippy. I like that. Let's see what we got here. So this is number 3, number 1. I think this is what is it called? The Posi 3, Posi 2, I think it is. Let's see. Number 2 and what is that? A 9? I don't know. But here's number 2. Oh wow. Look at that. There's no slop. Very wow. Wow, I really like this. That means, can I use the other ones? Let me see. Let me see if I can use this, since I have this here already. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Wow, look at that. No play at all. Made in Japan, vessel 220W. Remember that number, guys. I like this. Nice and tight. That's what she said. I could hear the comments already. All right. So let me go get something. Okay, I put this together years ago, guys, so don't ask, don't tell. All right, I used to put my camera here, my dash cam, and take out the videos. But anyway, that's another story. But anyway, let's see. This is so comfortable. Look at that. I think this is going to be my go-to screwdriver for a while. Wow. Sits in there very nice. Well, what can I say? I like it. And I like it a lot. So just the first look, guys. I like the black. They have different colors. I never did like different, the black on tools, but this is not bad at all. It doesn't, it doesn't make a difference. Like black blades, I don't like the black blades, the black paint or the black coating on blades, knives, but this is not bad at all. No play at all. I feel a little something, but it's really like hardly no play. Vessel. Great job, vessel. Look at that. Nice. Oh, look at this. Magnetic. See? It's not falling down. Let me get let me get a screw. Oh yeah, look at this. Sticks on there. That's why they say it's magnetic. Incredible. Too heavy. Oh man, this is gonna be my go-to for a while, guys. Look how it sits in there. You can see that. What a beauty. What a beauty. This is gonna be my go-to for a good while, I think, Anyway, so guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna make this video. Stay tuned for this one, guys. Alrighty. Put this here. Make a great thumbnail picture. And here we go. Guys, take care. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
A world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, building something new. From the blades that cut to the multi-tools bright, come discover the magic, we'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, so the freight's tall. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about. Like, share, and follow.